Hello guys, I am Shubham Kirme. Today I am going to teach you the data types in Java. So, the data types in Java, data type means characters. The data type means if you want to say any type of variable, then you need to print data type. Then it having a lot of types of data. Data type means the characters, single name of characters. Yeah, and it is that names are of names are fixed. Means data types are fixed. So there are two types of data types: primitive data type, and second one is non-primitive data types. Primitive data types are store only single point of values. Single primitive data types are used to contain to store only single values, and non-primitive data types are used to contain store single values, and used to hold the address of that variable. Means non-primitive data types are store the address of that variable also, and it stores its that variable also. Means now I will say the example of primitive data types and non-primitive data types. So primitive data types contains integer value, character value. Second one is boolean value, boolean, and third one is like the short and long. And non-primitive data types means they store non-primitive data types. Example are class, object, string, array. Now I will move towards the primitive data type. Primitive data types having the some subtypes: integer and boolean and characters. In integer takes 2 bytes and it holds. Means integer store values 2 raised to 8. Means I have to say that 1 byte takes 8 bits. Means integer takes the memory size of 4 bytes. Means it takes 4 into 8. 4 into 8 means 32, and 2 raised to 32 means integer takes minus 3264 to 32764. And now I will move towards the character. The character takes memory size only 1 byte, and third one is byte. Byte takes memory size of 2 bytes, and the third one is short. Short takes the memory size of 2 bytes, and long takes 8 bytes. Now I will move towards the floating point numbers. Floating point numbers means it prints only decimal values. Means if you want to print any type of real values, means real type values, for example like that, if you want to print some kind of decimal values like 2147.3266, any kind of if you want, then you need to print for example 0.01 f 0.0 f such and this float takes 4 bytes, and that having and another type is double takes 8 bytes. It double take, and it is the very and it prints floating point numbers. Means it prints decimal point values. So I will move towards the boolean. Boolean is that kind of data type. It stores its default size is only 2 byte. It holds false and true. False means 0 and true means 1. So Boolean takes a boolean having some kind of fixed size, means it takes only 2 bytes. So that's all about the introduction of data types in Java. So let's guys, thank you.